Alright people, welcome back in my channel. My channel is Aceh. Alright, this night I got part time to promoting this noodle. We call that like noodle fish nowadays. It's very totally awesome, very totally delicious than before. Here, the third time I promoting this noodle very totally delicious than before. The other noodle like here a lot of kind of location. Noodle fish here, very tall, awesome. Alright, this we call what like fish noodle. You know what? This very tall, delicious than before. We call what here mie lawung or noodle lawung here. Lawung, the meaning is the village here. This this very totally famous. You know what? This very totally delicious and done. You have to try this. You know what? Every single plate just 15,000 only with this fish and then this noodle. It's very totally delicious. So let's see how I'm going to eat this noodle. Very totally awesome, very totally delicious than before. So let's see. Alright, let's see now. I'm not glad now, you know about, because this noodle is very totally awesome, very totally delicious. I got invite a lot of not only people but also every single people sitting here to try this noodle. This noodle, the name is here. The meaning is you have to try this. The kind is this noodle. So one more time. If you have to visiting here, like lawung, very tall, you have to try this very totally delicious noodle. This fish originally from ocean. The fishermen catch this fish by their own arm, by their way. It's very totally awesome. Alright, one more time, don't forget like, subscribe to channel Aceh Social. This focus for focus for promoting Aceh 5.1, and then promoting for culture and then Aceh region exactly, then cleaner, and then promoting Aceh beautiful view here. Just focus for you got a lot of tourists together at exactly. Right, that's my time. One more time. Don't forget to subscribe to channel, and then let's see how we eat this video. I got a phone and all about eat this noodle with the fish here. Very totally awesome. One more time. I suggest you one more time, don't forget to try this, okay? This very delicious noodle than before. You know what? Different kind, different place in Aceh exactly, different taste, different kind of type, or this is noodle here. Right, that's my time. That's all for now.